Well, I have this pixel strip here all hooked up. I have it hooked up to a microprocessor that'll output pixel data. So what I did with this strip was I just had to take one LED off, and it would be the first LED because they're in series. So the first one that the WS2811 is driving. Now I hooked up 3 wires to where the LED pins used to be, and those 3 wires hook up here. They come on this ribbon cable, and then I have them jumpered into these little jumper leads, and they go to the first 3 relays inputs. So if I turn on the red LED, you can see the red LEDs come on, and also, oops, you can see that little red LED right there. And then if I do the green, second relay comes on. You know, where's the, there it is. There, we got all 3 lights on.